is your triple buffalo. So your single buffalo started with a step, your double buffalo started with a flap, your triple buffalo is going to start with a shuffle step. Shuffle step, shuffle step, shuffle step, shuffle step, shuffle step, shuffle step. Give it a try. Triple buffaloes. Shuffle step, shuffle step. So instead of starting with a step or a flap, you're going to start with a shuffle step. Shuffle step, shuffle step, shuffle step, shuffle step. The tricky thing is, it's not that different from spring shuffles, except the rhythm's a little different. And you also have to get that foot to that coupe position. Shuffle step, shuffle step, shuffle step, shuffle step. Okay, so you got to pick it up. So let's do some of these. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle step, shuffle step, shuffle step, shuffle step, shuffle step, shuffle step. Try the other side. You're going to do your shuffle step and then your shuffle step. Bring the foot to the front. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle step, shuffle step. Okay, those are your triple buffaloes. Triple buffalo. Shuffle step, shuffle step, shuffle step, shuffle step, shuffle step, shuffle step. Starting with the right foot, you're going shuffle step, shuffle step, shuffle step, shuffle step, shuffle step, shuffle step. Shuffle step, shuffle step, shuffle step, shuffle step. On the left side, shuffle step, shuffle step. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle step, shuffle step.